Hi, my name is Adrienne Oliver. I'm with Remax Universal. Wanted to give you some information today about loans. There are several different types of loans. Probably the most common loan that most first-time home buyers and people use is called an FHA loan. So I wanted to come to you and talk about some facts, 5 facts to be exact, about what an FHA loan is and some statistics behind it. So the first one is FHA loans are available on individual condos. Some people think that FHA loans are not available for condos, that it's only for single family. That is not true. Thanks to a change in October of 2019, buyers can qualify for FHA loans for individual condos within a building that needs to be approved. To get an FHA approval on a single unit, the buyer's lender will have to file the paperwork with FHA showing that the development meets the standard FHA requirements. So that's something new. You can use it on a condo. Number 2, you can do FHA offers on fixer-uppers. There's a different type of FHA loan, which is called a 203K loan, and it can be used to purchase and renovate property. The cost of the renovations are rolled into the total amount of the mortgage, and the property may undergo 2 appraisals, one as is, and then one which basically is the pre-renovation, and then one afterwards, and it will have the hypothetical condition when the renovations are complete. So it has 2 separate appraisals on a 203K FHA loan. Number 3, gift money can be used for a down payment. I'm starting to see this a lot. This is probably what I'll do for my own children when they get of the age to buy homes as well. But FHA loans allow you to use gifted money as part of your down payment. The donor will need to provide a letter signed and dated by the person giving the gift and the borrower's giver's contact information and their relationship to you. The dollar amount of the gift and the statement that no payment is required is part of what needs to happen in order to accept gift funds. So that's number 3. Number 4, FHA mortgage insurance cancels after 11 years for 10% down payments. So if you're doing an FHA and you, especially like right now, so rates are historically low. So if you're doing an FHA and you can put 10% down on your FHA, you should do it, because then it would cancel your mortgage insurance, which adds to your monthly payment. Mortgage insurance is required for all FHA loans, but if the down payment is 10% or more, the mortgage insurance premiums only last for 11 years. Rather than the lifetime of the loan. So if you put less than 10% down on an FHA, you have the lifetime of the loan. Historically, I've had buyers that have done that. They put the 3.5%, which is required by FHA. And what we do is in 3 to 5 years, we look at it again and we refinance it, right? So, and then we remove the PMI, etc. So number 5, debt to income ratio of 50% is allowed. So there's a couple different qualifications in order to get a loan. A lot of people think, credit. And credit's important. I'm not saying that it's not, but the thing that people oftentimes overlook or don't understand is the debt to income ratio. So under certain conditions, FHA loans will allow for a debt to income ratio of up to 50%. Which means your total monthly debt payments could be up to 50% of your pre-tax income. Qualifying for this maximum ratio requires a credit score above 580 and compensating factors such as verified cash reserves, additional income already not factored in the ratio. Debts that you aren't actively paying count towards this ratio. For instance, deferred student debt. 1% of the total will be used as the monthly payment amount for student debt. For other loans, you're currently at 5% of the loan's total will be calculated in your debt ratio. So if you have a student loan and you want to go FHA, but it's deferred, right? They only are going to use 1%. If you want to go with another loan, they'll use up to 5%. So FHA a lot of times is good for, those buyers who have a student loan. You have to be current on them, but the student loans count a little bit different with FHA. If you have any questions about FHA loans or any other loans for that matter, give me a call. My name is Adrienne Oliver and I'm with Remax Universal. Thank you and make it a great day.